Yes, Marco's face says it all. This no-bake coffee cheesecake tastes like a cafe dessert and you don't even need an oven for it. And this delicious creamy cheesecake starts with a simple biscuit crust, buttery and spice, the perfect base before we load it with bold coffee flavor. Okay, the secret to making a cheesecake that actually tastes like coffee comes from this step. Bloom the instant coffee in a splash of warm water. It wakes up the flavor and dissolves completely, so your filling stays bold and silky smooth. And here's another secret for you. Don't just mix the cream cheese. Beat it until it's fluffy. That way your cheesecake stays light instead of heavy. Here's where the bloomed coffee pays off. It blends right in for pure bold flavor. And to keep it light, we'll fold in softly whipped cream. This is where it turns into that cafe-style cheesecake texture. Look at that, smooth, silky, and full of coffee flavor. Go ahead and pour the filling over your crust. Smooth it out. It already looks tempting, right? But give it time to chill so it sets just right. When you are ready to unmold, just run a spatula around the edges first. That way your sides come out neat and clean. Top it with a cloud of whipped cream and a dusting of cocoa. Cut yourself a slice and take a look at that creamy, coffee-rich filling. Bold coffee flavor, silky texture, and no oven needed. And if Marco's face doesn't convince you, well, one bite will.